Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Want to save a video from a website to watch offline? While not all videos can be downloaded due to copyright or technical restrictions, here's a general approach for content that permits it. First, check if the website or platform, like YouTube, has its own download button below the video. This is the safest and most legal method. If not, you can use a trusted browser extension. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for a reputable video downloader, like Video Download Helper, and add it to Chrome. Always read reviews and permissions carefully. Once installed, navigate to the video page. The extension icon should light up, click it to see available download options. Pro tip: for screen recordings instead of downloads, use built-in tools like Windows Game Bar, Win+Alt+R, to capture video safely without legal concerns. Important: only download videos you have permission to save, and avoid copyrighted material without authorization. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more ethical tech tips. Thanks for watching.